Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's me, Lee, and this video is showing you how to make Lancashire cheese and onion pie. To make this you'll need Lancashire cheese or whenslidale cheese, potatoes, non-smoked bacon and onion. So you need to make up your mash like you would however you make your mash, and then just pretty much just add all your ingredients once you've mashed your mash and put your butter in. And then you have to mash all of this together, which is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like when it's combined. And then you just put them into your glass Pyrex dishes, which is what I'm doing here. And they're my Pyrex dishes. You just scoop it in and until it's all out of the pan basically, and then smooth it out on the top like here. And then you get a fork and you just scrape the lines in, and then once you've done that you put it in the oven on gas mark number 4 for about 45 minutes until it goes golden brown on the top. You can do it till it goes golden brown all underneath as well, and boom, all done. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll be back to do another nail video ready for Monday, and hope to see you again soon.